Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghettoographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming to you with another video. And today, I was thinking about how can I up my visual game. I'm new at this. I'm trying to, get my videos to be clear. Not trying to use the octopus lights in the back of anything like that. So what I did today was my kids wanted to go to Five and Below, so I took them to Five and Below. And guess what? I got some stuff from Five and Below, some lights, some different things to help me not to have to use the octopus lights again, okay? So we're gonna do a little unboxing on what I got from Five and Below today. Five and Below. Hold on. Let me pause it because I forgot my knife. I'm back with y'all. Today's knife is going to be my wood handle knife. We're going to use this as our unboxing knife today. I just got a couple of things, not going to be before you long, but I got some light strips from Five and Below. Light strips from Five and Below. There you go, light strip from Five and Below. I don't think I need to use the opener for this. We're just going to open it up. Oh, yes, I do need to use the opener for it. Uh-oh. They got some tape on here. Oh, I'm messing up. They got some tape on here. Okay, boom. All right, let's just get this tape off. Boom. Okay, let's see. I got some light strips in here today. We got this. Put some lights up. Strip it around. Trying to make my /office/ little studio better so I can be well lit. Since Amazon is taking all day, I did order some stuff that didn't cost too much on Amazon, but they probably won't get back here for another day or so. So this is the thing. We have the on and off switch right here, the on and off switch. See, on and off switch. And we have the light strip right here. The light strip right here. Let's see if we can get some juice in this to see if it works. See how it looks. Let me take this off here. Let's see if we can get it to work. Come on, let's see if we can get it to work. And there it go, it works. Whoa, now this is bright. This is bright. How do I look? Does it make me, you see the brown in my eyes? Look at this, this is good. So I'm gonna put this up, try to place it so I can get more light. All right, that works, that's bright too. I didn't think it was gonna be that bright. And then also I got a couple of these right here, light bars. I don't think I need nothing to open these. So how you think about that? Have it over me. What do y'all think? Do you think, or I should have it in front of me right here? Let me know. Let me know how this look. So I got one. I got two. Let me open this one, see if it works. Maybe I should have done that inside the store. But you know how it is. Trying to get everything done. Boom. So here we go. Look like I'm getting a scan of my big head. But look, so got a couple of lights coming. Put both of these up so I have some better lighting. So that's what I was up to today. So I hope everybody's doing well. I know everybody is putting themselves in, not quarantine, I don't want to use that, but putting themselves to the, keeping to themselves in this time. But I'm just letting you know that I'm trying to get my studio /office better so I can be able to give y'all more quality videos. So again, went to Five and Below and got some things. I think everything, I don't have the receipt on me. Next time I'll do that. I think everything costs about $15 to get it. So it doesn't have to be expensive to set up something nice. All you have to do is, get the right tools and have an imagination. So this is your boy, the Ghettoographer, aka Pastor Tech, and I'll see you in another video. Peace out.